Metal die cut templates are expensive, especially custom ones for wallets, bags, belts, and you know the deal. But for the smaller stuff, like logo badges, tags, oblongs, circles, it doesn't make sense to drop that kind of money. That's where this kit comes in. This is a 56-piece leather die cut set that I found on Amazon, and the best part, it costs under $20. Yes, you heard that right. I've got the largest version this brand offers, and as you can see, it's loaded. Ovals, circles, oblong slots, rectangles, and plenty of other shapes in all kinds of sizes. If you want to take a second and pause the video, you can check out all the shapes included. There's a lot, and honestly, the possibilities are endless. Are you going to use every single one of these? Probably not, but when you need a very specific shape or want to get creative with tags or logo patches, you'll be glad that you have it. And for the price, it's absolutely worth the shelf space. It also comes with this little acrylic puck. It's supposed to go on top of the die while you strike it with a hammer. Personally, it's not my favorite method. You need to hit it hard, and even then, it's hit or miss. I highly recommend using a plate press or an arbor press. That's where this set really shines. Clean cuts, no double striking, and no headaches. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'll drop my affiliate link in the description. And if you're watching this on TikTok, it'll be in my link tree, which is linked in my bio. Buying through my links helps me keep making videos just like this, and I really appreciate the support. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.